Bromochlorofluoro methane Lewis dot structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1, bromine has 7, chlorine has 7, chlorine has 7. So if you add, you are getting 26 valence electron totally. This 26 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to fulfill octet and duet of the atom. Let me connect these 5 atoms together. So for connecting 5 atoms together, we have used 2, 4, 6, 8 valence electron out of 26 valence electron. The other remaining valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet and duet of outer atom first. 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. We have used all the valence electron. Now count for octet. Octet, 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 duet. Okay. Now check for the octet of central atom. Carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond. 4 bond it can form. Plus it is the least electronegative, and hydrogen is all time considered as a outer atom. So this is the Lewis dot structure. You can replace this bonding pair by a line.